how does it feel to make it this far?
Good evening, sir. I feel so grateful and inspired.
Wow, grateful and inspired, and of course, that inspiration will help you ace the final and the second question tonight. Of course, we will come from the chairperson of the Board of Judges, Dr. Carlu Bernaldez. Good luck.
Good evening, candidate number 3.
Good evening, ma'am.
You look so pretty, and
That's pretty.
we consider you an early bet tonight. But I hope you can manage to answer the final question, which is set for the 3 of you. Are you now ready?
I am destined to be ready.
Thank you. Audience. Audience, please. Here's your final question. Can you hear me? Okay. How can the Langud Festival Queen crown effectively embody and promote the municipality of Mabinay's cultural identity, natural heritage, and tourism initiatives as it strives to be recognized as a premier tourist destination in the Philippines? I will repeat. How can the Langud Festival Queen Crown effectively embody and promote the municipality of Mabinay's cultural identity, natural heritage, and tourism initiatives as it strives to be recognized as a premier tourist destination in the Philippines?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I do believe that Mabinay has a rich culture, traditions, and beliefs. Mabinay is rich in natural disaster from ecotourism. And I do believe that Miss Mabinay has a heart to inspire fellow Mabinayanans and especially our youth. Mabinay Langud Queen has a power to inspire others.
Thank you so much. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to candidate number 3.